So hi, this is PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm Lakshmi Prasad. So I'm a Python trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company and he's going to share his experience. Yes.
Hello, my name is SKANDA Kumar. I have joined the PySpiders in the month of August, and my first trainer here was Keshav sir. He taught us Python, and then there was another trainer for SQL. His name is Murli sir. So both of these people played a major role in my knowledge gaining. So it was a great experience here in PySpiders. I got to know a lot about in-depth knowledge. They don't leave out any kind of topics, and they also conduct boot camps here. So there we used to give presentations. Later, the trainer used to ask us questions about what we've learned. So all of these have helped me in my communication, as well as when I have to answer a particular question in an interview. You feel more confident when you start to learn, and you also teach. So during presentations, you teach the other members in your presentation team. So the presentation team consists of about 4 people, and when you teach other people, you also learn on your own. And while teaching, it's a great experience that you get to know about teaching, as well as you learn from other people. And the trainers here are amazing. They teach you everything in depth. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.